Going over the methods in utils test, we can find those methods marked with the @test annotation. These are the methods that test specific methods in the original class, the class we want to test. In this code sample, the original class utils includes two methods, sum and multiply, and since we want to test each one of them, in utils test we can find test sum and test multiply. The word test is simply appended to the original method name, the one we want to test. Here we need to code inside the two methods that test the methods sum and multiply. We should place code that verify the original method functions correctly. In this case, this code verifies that sum and utils indeed calculates the sum of all numbers it receives. The assert true is just one of many static methods available in assert. Assert is a class we import using the static keyword, meaning that if we want to call a static method in assert, we do not need to write assert dot and the name of the method. We can simply just write the name of the method like this. This is the meaning of doing an import using the static keyword. The assert, each one of the assert methods checks something, and if the check fails, an error is thrown. So later, when we mark the new class that comes to test the original one, the utils class, and right click the mouse and choose in the run as options the JUnit test option, we indirectly execute the JUnit utility that goes over all methods in utils test and execute each one of those marked with @test, and if exception is thrown, then we shall get that info here in this screen. The code within each one of the methods we marked with the @test annotation is code that we choose and we develop. We are free to develop a simple test, a more sophisticated one. In any case, once we have all testing methods, we can execute all of them by running using the JUnit, the utils test class. Indirectly, each one of the methods that was marked with the @test annotation shall be executed, and here we shall get detailed information saying how many of the testing methods succeeded and how many failures do we have.